but it's like all the FPV pilots, it seems like the gear they recommend never works out the best. I mean, these Apex frames are good, they're just a little tight for the build. That's why I wanted to go back to the Stingy, because the Stingy has a little more room. But I have plenty of spare parts for these Apexes, so I plan on keeping them for a while. Oh, I switched it to the wrong one. And like I said, I'm not going to try to do the... Even though it'd be cool to have it on GoPro HD video, I don't want to... I don't want to bash the squad. Let's see what's going on out here. I was a little short there. But you know, the weird part is, so like I said, I try not to bash the squad, even though I'm having had those problems with the Velox motors and I don't recommend them. This quad, I never had to replace a motor yet. So these motors are fine, they just can't handle a beating. So I'm hoping these X-Things will be a suitable replacement. They are the cheap X-Thing model. And they're actually cheaper than the Veloxes. They're like $2. Oh no. So I disarmed, man, I'm gonna have to look back on the video. I habitually disarmed, but I had a failsafe there. At least I didn't end up in the water. You think the GoPro survived? I kind of landed on the top, so hopefully I didn't smash the GoPro lens. But yeah, I'm gonna have to look back on the video. I don't know. Well, the GoPro's gone. Oh, it's over here. It's funny, it's face down. No! And it turned off and started recording again. Broke the lens. Well, that's why I did the Hero 7. They have replaceable lenses. And also I have the warranty on this GoPro. Man, what happened? You know, I was about to say... Oh, let me unplug it. I was about to say that...
Telemetry lost. Telemetry recovered.
Okay, you see...
Telemetry lost.
Okay. So you see, I bashed this motor. So it's seized. So I can pull it apart. I probably have to be out here. So I can pull this apart, take the bell off, and bend the shaft back, and it'll be fine. But let me check the coil. Okay, so this coil didn't get bashed. But, pop the end off this Triumph, which I'm not going to buy these Triumphs anymore. This is the second one I popped the end off of it. Man, I was about to say that this was going to be the first time I flew here and didn't destroy a quad, but man, this spot just has bad luck.